Hello everybody, we're here live at Magic Hair Company. We are a luxury lace wig store located in Culver City, California. We're having a huge Black Friday sale. Everything will be 25 to 70% off here. We're getting ready to decorate for Christmas. Of course, we have parking directly in front of our store here. We have hundreds of wigs in stock. We have wigs that are custom colored. We specialize in custom coloring. For those of you that are new to shopping with our channel, we specialize in custom color, custom style here in our Culver City store. Also, we will be a in-network wig provider for the top 30 medical insurance companies in about a week or so. So if you have any sort of hair loss, we can get you a wig covered by your insurance that you're already paying for here at Magic Hair Company. Just get your prescription, turn that in. Look at this beautiful blue wig we have here. We custom colored it in store, of course. We have beautiful textures available, something for everybody. And yes, we have some pink wigs and purple wigs. Come shop with us here in our Culver City store this Black Friday. We will be open from 10:30 to 6 p.m. We have not only the most luxurious, best quality, long-lasting wigs, but we can now get your wig paid for by your insurance. So get that prescription to us before the end of the year because your benefits renew starting January. So get your prescription into us so we can get you a wig covered by your insurance at no cost to you. We also just have hundreds of wigs available. So if you're looking for a new wig, if you're experiencing hair loss, or you just want a new look, come shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We have natural wigs, luxurious wigs, and our wigs are long lasting. So this is not that cheap throwaway hair that you buy at the beauty supply. This is the hair you get at Magic Hair Company. All right, guys, thank you for watching. We're going to go live a little bit more now, but we just wanted to show you what we have here in our Culver City store, Magic Hair Company, where we have the most luxurious lace, glueless wigs. You don't need glue to wear any of our beautiful wigs. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com, and we will see you soon. Bye, guys.